Hello everyone. So I kind of wanted to make a simple tassel for our cookbook journal. Just something simple to put on the end here. And I recently just cut out a bunch of small pieces of one of the cuts, and then I added my Ranger glossy accents to just accent them a little bit, and got out some ribbon, got out some twine, thought that might make it look cute. Also, I'll pull out a couple of these just because, why not, if we're working on something like this. I like to use my paper beads. Now, not everybody has paper beads, but again, I made them in the past and might as well use them to be a part of this little tassel making. I think that's the length I'm going to go with. So I need one, which is two of these and two of these. So I know how many I need to make of these. Need to make 5. All right. So 1, 2, 3, and I am making some a little shorter, just so you're aware. 4, and let's make one this size. 5. All right, so we have our 5 pieces here. And then I'm going to add some ribbon. One, two, and 2 like this. So 1, 2. So this is how I'm doing it. You don't have to do it the same way I am. I'm just doing it the way I want to. I'm just hooking it around my piece here. And you can make that hole as big as you want it to be, because as long as you're sticking it through and out. There we go. We got that set of lace down. Now this next part, I'm just gonna take it from the spot right below it and do the same thing, but with my twine. So we want all these hoops to make it through my finger. And then I can grab a hold of it with my 2 fingers and pull. And voila. Easy. So again, it's going to be decorative. Oh shoot, that ain't gonna work. It's gonna be doing that. Got 1. 2. All right. So I'm gonna take one of these, stick it all the way through, take this piece here, I don't recommend doing that, but I did. I did it. And then I'm going to do a little tie here twice. And voila, we got ourselves a nice beaded piece here. Again, sometimes hemp does not like to work the way we want it to. I'm the first to admit it. It doesn't like me sometimes. It's okay. That happens. I mean, if you don't have this type of thing like hemp or anything, you can use baker's twine, you can use embroidery string, whatever you want. Like this one, I think it's going to be way too big. So I'm just going to cut it down. And we'll do this one next. Put holes in these two. I don't go full poking mode on my piece, just so you know. Some people do. I don't. Just because I know what I'm using it on and everything else, you don't need to. 1, 2, and again, it makes nice and easy. You don't have to worry about much here. This is just a fun, cute little tassel project. I know some people get really elaborate with their tassels. I don't. I'll admit that. I'm lucky I can do this much. Not everybody is like that, but I am. here we go. Again, I'm just keep on doing them in these patterns. You'll eventually see the end game here. I mean, I could really do more, but I'm not going to. I'm excited for when this cookbook becomes somebody's way of becoming their, like, recipe book, is what I think it would become. A recipe book. So, I mean, we have 4 more to do, and then it's done. One, two, and then 2 of these. So, I mean, once you get into the groove, it does seem to be much easier to do. It's when you're not necessarily, well, again, I'm just trying to get these looking cute, looking good for future. And that's why I chose something simple. I chose to have, I don't know what size this is, but it was one of them cheapos that I got off of Amazon thinking it was supposed to be an inch one, and it wasn't. So I got one of them group ones and found out they were too small for what I wanted. So I came up with new ideas for them, like this. These out, last 2, and then we're done. My daughter again is on her field trip, so I get a little extra time filming today than normal, and that's a good thing sometimes, getting that little extra time. I think this is like my 4th video for today, just because I was so busy earlier this week. I didn't film ahead for this coming up week. And my goal is to have everything done for till next Friday, if not farther away, because the next couple weeks is going to be wowzers. Just a busy next couple weeks. So I need to start filming whenever I get a chance to start filming ahead. Again, I don't do tassels very often, but I had this idea in my head because I thought, oh, wouldn't it be cool to have tassels down this cookbook? And don't that look cool? Just 2 different tassels, but just something fun down the whole journal. So there we go. We got the tassels on the cookbook journal that we've been working on. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye.